I am a sucker for speakers. I don't know why. I love speakers. If anybody ever wants to send me speakers, I'm going to say yes. So when someone asked me if I wanted to test out this little Bluetooth speaker with this kind of retro design, I said, yeah. So here it is. I love the look of this thing. It's got this, grill on it. It looks like something from the 50s. It's made by LoFree. This is actually like the woofer back here. And I will say that what impressed me the most with this was the bass. It was dramatic for something this size and at this price. It also has, this is a unique feature, this has an FM radio, like a real FM radio. You can see the little dial go across there when you've got it powered up. So let's power it up. Buttons on top are power button, which also says M for mode, and that's because you can switch between FM mode or aux port mode or Bluetooth mode. And then we've got play, pause, and Bluetooth button, and then we've got a plus minus for volume. So let's turn it on. Green light comes on.
FM mode.
Okay, so it's in FM mode. Now, we don't get good FM stations here.
AUX mode.
AUX mode. And then Bluetooth mode. And the light changes color. So Bluetooth mode is blue, the aux mode is orange, and the FM radio mode is green. So now I'll connect to it here with my phone. See if we can find a new device. Yep, there it is. This must be it. It lists as Elysium Iron Mini. Okay, stop blinking, made a little chime, allow it to sync with my contacts. I don't think this thing even has a mic on it, so no, I'm not going to allow it. I don't believe this will answer phone calls for you. Pretty sure. Okay, so now it's hooked up to Bluetooth, so let's find some DRM-free music. We're going to go to bensound.com. The best free-to-use music on the internet is from Bensound. So here we're going to try one of my favorite songs. Bass is incredible. I have a little speaker like this. You can see it move. Man, it sounds really good. Like, I'm quite impressed with this little thing. I like it quite a bit. It comes with a little carrying case here, and it came with some straps to like put it around your shoulder, but the straps, at least one side of it didn't fit through this, so I don't know how well thought out that was, but I don't care. I'm not going to strap it around my shoulder and go anywhere with it. It's just cool looking. So anyways, 5 stars for me, from what that's worth. That thing is pretty cool. I like it. Can't lay it flat on its back though because of that thing. This, I would worry about this with little kids around too, that they poke their fingers in there or anything like that. And then you really got to be sitting in front of it or the bass is just kind of overwhelming. If you're behind it, it's kind of overwhelming. But it's a very nice little speaker. This is definitely a unique design and probably not something that everybody is going to think is cool. I think it's cool. It reminds me of like my grandma's house or something. So I like it. It's cute. And I love the color. That green color is pretty cool. You don't get a lot of nice, fun colors like that. So that's it. I like it. I'll add my 5 stars. Thanks.